G'day and welcome to the Autodata Training Workshop. Today's tech tip is on air filters for the air-cooled hybrid battery packs. Yes, there is actually an air filter for the air-cooled high-voltage battery packs. On your full electric vehicles or your plug-in hybrids, the batteries on those are much larger, so those batteries are typically liquid-cooled. But your standard hybrid battery packs, like this one here out of a Toyota Camry, are air-cooled. Let me explain how it works. I have the fan here. Now, the fan will have an intake tube which draws in clean filtered air from inside the cabin. By pulling the air from inside the cabin with your air conditioning on, and the air inside the cabin should be much cleaner as compared to if I pull the air from outside the vehicle. So that filtered air comes in to the fan, and then that fan directs it through ducts and tubes and blows the air over the battery pack and out the other side. So that's how manufacturers control and maintain a safe operating temperature of the high voltage battery. But unfortunately, these filters get neglected and they don't get replaced or serviced regularly. So where do I find these filters? Give an example, say the Toyota Corolla Hybrid, the battery pack is underneath the rear seat. And it's not only the Corolla, there's lots of vehicles that have the battery pack under the rear seat. So typically you would find on the right hand side, so facing forward, the right hand side lower part of the seat, there'll be a plastic trim there. You simply flick that out and you'll find access to the air filter just there. They're in other positions, but they're not hard to find. No matter where the air filter is, it needs to be serviced or replaced at the specified service intervals. That way, you can ensure you're going to get full life out of your high voltage battery. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments section. Or if you'd like access to our full Autodata Training library, why not get a subscription today? I'm Hatton. Thanks for watching.